I am so excited, 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 I am so excited. You guys are the absolute best people on earth. I asked for a boosted board, someone hit me with an electric skateboard. This is from the brand X-Way. I've never used this in my life. I'm riding it on the streets of Manhattan with oh, the acceleration's really smooth. Oh yeah, apparently this goes 30 miles an hour, so I'm probably gonna die. Oh, also, did I mention that I was super excited? Okay, first impressions on this thing. Really smooth acceleration, cool controller, quality board. I don't know how this works, so I don't know how to get it to go full speed. It's like on mode 2 right now. He gave me instructions. I should probably just read the instructions. Okay, I downloaded the app and then sort of like messed around with the... Maybe I should change that. Point being, I have no idea what I did. And we'll see if this thing goes any faster now. Alright, I figured it out. I put this thing on the turbo mode. Apparently it goes 30 miles an hour. So here's a slow motion montage of me almost killing myself in New York City, riding around on this X-Way board. Okay, that's enough of that for today. The board is freaking awesome. It goes stupid fast. It's really smooth and it weighs like 10 pounds compared to the boosted board which weighs like 17 pounds. It's really good. One store that we haven't been into at all this week is Urban Necessities. And of course I know JC and you gotta support the people you know. I've only actually been into the store once, but it's really cool. I mean, like, cool window display. It looks really nice inside. Let's go check it out and see if they have anything. I think mine goes a little bit faster than theirs. I'm trying to convince myself, and so far successfully, to not buy anything today. It's my last night here before I head off to Manila, and I want to keep some space in my suitcase because I honestly have no idea what I'm gonna buy in Manila. I mean, I've never been to Manila. I don't know what there is to buy in Manila. I might want to buy something in Manila. Hey. Hi, sir. Jeff. that, unfortunately. And I mean,
Philippine Airlines flight Pier 127 bound to Manila.
I hate airport announcements. It's so sad that we're leaving New York today, especially after the day that we had. That board was so fun to ride on. Thank you, X-Way, for hooking it up with the board today. I appreciate it. My camera keeps falling over. 1 second. Obviously, I'm gonna be back in New York soon. I'm probably gonna be back in November, but we are off to Manila, and I am so excited. I don't know what to expect. I'm gonna be there on Sunday, October 20th for Beyond the Culture. I'm gonna be speaking on some panels and all of that good stuff. And I can't wait. It's gonna be an absolutely amazing time. If you guys have anything you want me to do in the Philippines, anything you want me to film, any videos you want to see, just let me know down in the comment section below, because I am so excited. And if you guys enjoy it, who knows, maybe another airport announcement. You know what, guys? I love you from the bottom of my heart. I know it hasn't been the longest video, but this has been an amazing day, a day of firsts. First electric skateboard ride in Manhattan, and first time flying to the Philippines. Oh no, you're good, you can go through. No worries, no worries. And also, first time having a flight at 2 in the morning. I'm flying to Manila at 2 in the morning. Who books flights for 2 in the morning? And it's a 17-hour flight. Wish me luck.